Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing our world. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on Netflix, AI is everywhere. Today, we'll explore some easy techniques of AI that anyone can understand and start using. Machine learning is a core part of AI. It involves training a computer to learn from data. Think of it as teaching a computer to recognize patterns. For example, if you show a machine learning model many pictures of cats and dogs, it will learn to tell them apart. There are two main types of machine learning: supervised and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the model learns from labeled data, like knowing which pictures are cats and which are dogs. In unsupervised learning, the model finds patterns in data without labels. Neural networks mimic the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process information. Neural networks are powerful for tasks like image and speech recognition. For instance, when you upload a photo to Facebook, a neural network helps tag your friends. AI is used in many ways in our daily lives. Virtual assistants like Siri use AI to understand and respond to our voice commands. Recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Spotify suggest movies and music based on our preferences. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases and suggest treatments. In finance, it detects fraudulent transactions and predicts market trends. You don't need to be a genius to start with AI. There are many tools and platforms designed for beginners. Google Colab, for example, lets you write and execute Python code in your browser. Teachable Machine by Google allows you to train a model with just a few clicks. You can create a simple image recognition model by uploading a few photos and letting the platform do the rest. Another fun project is building a chatbot using a platform like Dialogflow, which guides you through creating conversational agents. AI is a fascinating field with endless possibilities. Whether you're interested in building smart apps, analyzing data, or just curious about technology, there's a place for you in AI. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. For further learning, check out online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy, or dive into tutorials on YouTube.